Hi everyone, I'm Holly from the A+ team at Antares. You are probably watching this video because you want to talk about food and drinks in English. A lot of my students ask me, Holly, before I go to a restaurant, can you explain to me the words that describe cooked meat? And here we are, grilling out. So yes, of course, let's do that right now. Let's get going. If someone asks you, how would you like your meat done? Usually they're talking about red meat, and it means how would you like it cooked or to what level? So, red meat we can cook lots of different ways. For example, rare. Rare usually means that the center is cool, it's not hot, and it's very red. We can also ask for our meat to be medium rare. That means that the center is warm and the color is red to pink. We can also ask for our meat to be cooked medium. Medium meat is a hot center and the color is pink, but maybe turning a little bit brown. We can also have medium well. Medium well meat is meat that is just a little bit pink, but mostly brown in the center, and it has a texture that's very firm. And well done meat is drier, firmer, and basically mostly brown in the middle. And that's it. Well, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments below. Enjoy your barbecue. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope you watch our next video. Take care and see you soon. Bye.